The absolute worst part of preparing for my upcoming Toastmaster speech isn't writing the speech itself. It is staring at that blank slide deck, knowing I have to translate everything visually. It is a massive hurdle that usually leads to hours of procrastination. Google's NotebookLM just removed that hurdle entirely with their new slide generation feature. Watch how fast I go from a finished text script to a working visual draft. I've already dragged my speech document into the source panel so the AI knows what I plan to say. Although my main goal is to generate the slides, I will take a moment to ask the AI some questions about my speech. I will start with, suggest ways to improve this speech to make it easier to deliver. I will follow up with, summarize the main points as notes to help me deliver the speech. Now I am ready to try the new feature. I can try the speedy option by just clicking the new slide deck button. But let's explore some customization. I click the pencil icon to give the AI direction so it doesn't just spit back paragraphs of text. I am selecting the detail setting, but then in the chat box, I am explicitly telling it to create a visual style with more graphics and fewer lines of text. I want a starting point that looks good, not just a text dump. I hit generate, and suddenly the intimidating part of the project is done for me. A short while later, I have something to work with instead of a blank screen. Let's open it up and see our new starting point. Look at this result. The AI actually followed my custom instructions to the letter, swapping out heavy text for relevant visuals and illustrations that perfectly match my topic. It captured the exact vibe I needed to get started. There is one current limitation you need to be aware of, though. Right now, the export is strictly a PDF file. If you prefer to present using Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides, you cannot just import the file directly yet. You will need to copy the images from the PDF into your preferred slide editor manually. It is a bit of a workaround, but it is still significantly faster than designing from scratch. For now, the heavy lifting is done, and I am ready to present. If seeing these tools in action has you curious about the bigger picture, don't just guess your way through it. Pick up William Zain's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence on Amazon. It is the practical roadmap you need to move from simply using the tech to actually understanding it.